What I have here are all the original components that I just pulled out of my original 1970 Firebird. They're in good condition. This still has the protective wrapping or insulator on it. There's the coils, has all the original mounts with the rubber isolators. Here's the heater core box. Here's all the internal vents in the dash. There's the AC controls. There's a vent, center vent right there. The heater box still has the original heater core is still in it, and the blower motor is still in it. And for 46 years old, these are in really, really good condition. And I pulled them out of the 70 Firebird, all original components. Let me know if you're interested.